Not the flowers, dude. Not the flowers. Itchy and scratchy all night long. Wait, what? Fuck. Oh, there he is. I was like, where the fuck is he at? Oops. Oh shit, they're both right here. Oh wait, they're chasing the other guy. Nice. Oh, I'm running out of stamina. Oh shit, what the hell? Wait, why did he have no terror radius? Oh god, I can't run. Oh shit! Wait, why did he have no terror radius? What the fuck? They even have Grandpa level 1? Huh? What the fuck is going on here? Nice, I still got my tool. A little bit of healing. A little bit of crouch walking. Dude, extra drip is so broken, holy crap. Fuck. Bro, I swear this cook is stream sniping. And that's when, oh shit, there's a hitchhiker right here. Oh my god, I'm rubber banding, please. What the fuck, bro? Cook over here still? Nope. Oh, Johnny's coming though. Alright, bye. I think I'm gonna die here though. If this hitchhiker comes basement, I think I'm dead. Maybe? Oh, he didn't come basement. Nice. Nice, bro. GG. GG. Oh, pressure valve's going off. The moon and the stars in the sky. Somebody, anybody, help. Oh my god, help. Yeah. Okay, ooh, this guy's going Johnny. I'm scared. I don't know if I've seen this guy play Johnny before. I know he's pretty good at Cook, so I can imagine if he's playing Johnny, that'd be quite scary. Dude, where are all the toolboxes? The fuck? Got like no toolbox on this side of the map. I mean, I'm kinda down to not wake up Grandpa. Cause yeah, this Johnny player is kinda scary. I am respecting the Johnny player, bro. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, my teammates are opening a door. Love me some prime meat. I don't have a hitchhiker or a cook, so it should be pretty easy. I'm gonna worry about traps. Johnny's over here. I'm actually gonna ult this. Our ability is. Fuck. Kinda wanna grab that fuse. Oh shoot, it's a blood bones. Looks like they maybe got the other side open. I'm kinda scared. If Johnny's on battery side, it should be good. Jesus, this takes forever. Okay. Oh shit, they're coming. Oh shit. Really need this open. Oh my god, he's got nobody escapes hell. Oh dude, I juked him. I don't know if he saw me either. Oh, the water makes noise. No, now they're gonna know that I'm down here. Damn, they got nobody escapes hell. Wait, who has nobody escapes hell on their team? That's weird. I should have grabbed that fuse. Frick. I messed up. Okay, we need to stab. Is someone gonna stab Grandpa, bro? What the fuck? This. Fuck. It's not. This isn't even open. Dude, my teammates are trolling me right now, bro. Oh my god, my teammates are trolling me. Jesus, this fucking Leland, bro. Why am I like fucking... What the fuck is happening to my character? Bro. Brother. Oh, I'm so dead. Dude, I'm so dead. Really hope this Johnny's not down here. Please, teammates, just fucking do something, bro. My teammates, please just do anything, bro. Fuck, dude. Oh, there's a barrier here. Nice. Weehaw. Weehaw, dude. Wait, that loser? Wait, that was easy. Well, that was easy. Shit.
I can't get away.
Okay, someone's over there. Sissy's feeding Grandpa up top. Oh, fuck. Damn chicken, dude. Does he see me? Oh, I think they know. Run! Run! Go, go, go! They don't know, dude. They don't know. Oh my god, dude. That nobody escapes hell. No! Oh my god, wait, he's already on there. Battery off? He didn't turn the battery off? What the fuck? Oh my god, he doesn't have... Oh my god. This... Oh my god, he actually got it off. Jesus, bro. Yikes, dude. I got saved so hard by this guy, Jesus.